Are you tired of struggling to create a website that truly reflects the essence of your brand and converts visitors into customers? Today, we're unveiling the 6 key principles you absolutely must follow when designing your business's website. Let's dive in. First is overall layout and visual appearance. Your website's layout should be clean, intuitive, and visually appealing. Make sure it reflects your brand identity and guides users seamlessly through the content. Second is color scheme. Choose a cohesive color scheme that complements your brand and evokes the right emotions in your audience. Consistency in color usage helps in building brand recognition. Third is typography. Select fonts that are easy to read and align with your brand's personality. Maintain consistency in font styles and sizes throughout your website for a polished look. Fourth is navigation. A clear and intuitive navigation menu is crucial for helping users find what they're looking for quickly and easily. Keep it simple and organized to enhance the user experience. Fifth is content. High quality, relevant content is key to engaging your audience and providing value. Use clear and concise language, incorporate visuals where possible, and optimize for SEO to improve visibility. Sixth is mobile-friendly. With the increasing number of mobile users, it's essential to ensure that your website is fully responsive and optimized for mobile devices. This includes easy navigation, fast loading times, and mobile-friendly design elements. I hope these tips help you design a website that not only looks great, but also drives results for your business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.